So Jim, a minute ago you mentioned your writing. You've been writing for 15 plus years, something at 43 cities with the American Business Journal. How'd you get involved in that? And after 15 years, aren't you running out of topics?
You would think, but apparently not. It said when I was younger, I wanted to be a writer. The only trouble was I didn't really know anything. So it took a while. Now I know a little bit of stuff, but basically my next article is always just around the corner. My last article was about buying a sandwich. I always go to when I'm in the mood for one type of sandwich. I love spicy food, which explains my interest in Thai and Indian Entrepreneurs Organization. But there's one sandwich place that they make a jalapeno wrap sandwich that I love. And I go there at least once a week. And they've got to know me, and I order nothing else. And one day I walked in and just opened the door, and the clerk behind the counter plopped my wrap on the counter. And I hadn't called in advance, and I said, "How'd you do that?" He said, "Well, we saw your car come into the parking lot." So I decided to write an article about employee excellence and how businesses can either encourage or kill excellence by employees, because employees love to be excellent, and somehow a lot of business owners manage to really muck up that natural instinct of people to want to be doing well and do great things. My next article is coming out next week. I was listening on the radio to a commentary about football conferences and how all the colleges are switching around. And I said, I can turn that into an article about something I do. M&A, I buy and sell companies. It seems like the colleges and the conferences are buying and selling each other. So I kind of explained how what's going on in college football fits very well into all the things that people do when they buy and sell companies, and fits into the definitions of things that you see in M&A contracts. So there are a million things to write about. You just have to kind of open yourself to listening.
Sounds like you're never going to run out of topics, Jim.
I don't think so. But we will see. It's always fun. The hardest part is I have to do it in 600 words or less, which, as you know, for a lawyer, when I started doing,
almost impossible.
Almost impossible. When I started doing was 900 words, but the newspaper industry has been cutting back on advertising and the like, so their number of pages. So they cut me back to 600 words. The idea is finding something interesting and complex that you can express in 600 words is the challenge.